Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I have a really exciting double unboxing to share with you. Both of the bags are really big, so I'm just gonna back up my camera a bit and show you. So one of the items is Louis Vuitton and the other is Dior in this gigantic bag. They ran out of the white bags, so they gave me this blue one and it is huge. So I'm gonna get right into the unboxing and then I'll kind of explain my I guess decision to get these two items. The Louis Vuitton one you may be able to guess if you follow me or watch my videos or follow me on Instagram, because I have mentioned this one recently. So here is the bag, and it originally was packaged in this huge Louis Vuitton box, and I asked them to switch it out for just a small box because so this is the box they gave me. It barely fits in here, but I don't store my bags in the boxes. I store them on top for my display, and so I wanted a smaller box to display the bag on top of the box, if that makes any sense. So the bag is just in the dust bag right now, and of course it came with the ribbon and tag and all of that, and that's the receipt. I will share the price after. Okay, so it's quite a big dust bag too. I was surprised at how big the dust bag was. So to reveal, here is my Neo Noe in the BB size. So this is the new size, and you might have noticed that I considered getting this when I was in Orlando last week. I posted asking for advice on whether to purchase this or the Chanel Walk, the iridescent blue one. I ended up getting the Walk because I knew I couldn't get that here. This bag was cheaper to buy it here in Toronto rather than buying it in US dollars. So it's the Neo Noe BB in the color Seaside, and it is so pretty. Unfortunately, it is not coming up on camera true to color. It is like a minty blue with a deeper kind of turquoisey, I don't know how to describe this color, but it's like a really, really pretty contrasting color. And I did own a Neo Noe in the regular size, the bigger size, when they first were released. I owned a monogram one with the pink interior, and I liked it, but I just found it a little bit big for this style. So I was really happy that they came out with this BB size. I think it's perfect as handheld or crossbody. I'll show you that it comes with both options. So let me just show you the outside. It's epi leather. I have not owned an epi leather bag in quite some time, so I'm kind of excited to have one back in my collection. And it's a bucket style, just with a drawstring that you just open like this. And the inside is that beautiful contrasting color, and it's microfiber, which is really nice. It has silver hardware, and so it comes with this little top handle, which is so cute and just hooks on to here. Hang on. Hooks on to here, and so you can carry it top handle, which I think, I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, I think that's such a cute way to carry it. And then it also has this strap that can go crossbody in when it's on the longer setting, or you can unsnap it here and then convert it to a shoulder bag. So it's super easy to do like that, and then it becomes like a shoulder style. So I love that you can wear it all three ways, top handle, shoulder, and crossbody. I think that's great, and both are removable, which makes it really, really versatile. And then it has the two compartments here and a little slip compartment with a snap closure in the middle, which is nice too. And I will show you, let me see here if the tag information box at the bottom here. So here is the code for it if you are interested. I know it is on the website now. So that is the name and the code. And then it came with the Epi care booklet and the textile tag, cowhide leather and man-made interior lining. So that is my first purchase for today. I'm so happy to have it. I don't have a bucket bag in my collection, and I debated getting another Neo Noe, and then when they came out with this one, I was like, oh, this is perfect for me. It's my color, and the size is just perfect. It's gonna hold enough, and yet it's still like on the small side and cute. And yeah, so I really love the two colors that it has. It's really pretty. And I think that this color is actually going to match the Chanel wallet that I purchased last week. Let me just grab that. Yeah, I think it's really close. Let's see. Yeah, I think that's going to look really cute together. Oh, that makes me even more excited. Okay. All right, so that is the first item. That to the side. Gonna need a lot of room here for the second item because it is in a gigantic bag and box. So this one is a Dior item. I have not purchased a Dior bag in quite some time. This one, I was waiting for it to come out, and these just arrived in the store today, and I was lucky enough to get one. I will explain more once I unbox it. So I'm just untying this ribbon on here. I know I can't get that in the shot because it's just too big. Oh, she tied it on here really tightly. Okay, I wonder if I can get it out without doing that. This is a really tight knot. Ugh. So, oh, there we go. So yeah, it's this is one that was on my wish list for this year. So I'm super excited to have it. I am going to put the bag aside because it is enormous. And I have the receipt here that I will share price after. Okay, so this is what the box looks like. Beautiful as always. And it's got the really pretty star. Okay. Oh, I hate to unbox this because it looks so pretty. Let's see if I can just slide it off so that I can put it back on and take a photo of it. I don't know where I'm gonna put this box because it's so enormous. You can probably guess what this is based on the shape of the box, but anyway. Oh, it looks so pretty. Okay. Let's try to do this without ripping the paper. And here is the dust bag. I'm sure you've guessed by now what it is based on the shape. To reveal my new Dior book tote in the small size in the color gray. And oh, I wish it was coming up true to color. It is lighter than I am seeing on my screen right now. It is a really beautiful light gray with even lighter gray and cream in the background. It is so pretty, and it is the small size, so the newer size. There's the back. And yeah, it's coming up dark on my screen. I don't know if that'll translate to the actual video, but it's still all wrapped up. This one was brand new. It had just come in today and hadn't been taken out of the packaging or anything, so I'm probably gonna need scissors to get all of this open. So I'm just gonna show it and I'll do a review once I've used it and give you more information on it. But you guys have seen the book tote before. It's just an open, kind of an open concept bag with no pockets or anything. And the price of this one, let me just share that with you in Canadian dollars, was $3,400 plus tax. And the reason I purchased this was two reasons. One is because it's the small size, which I wanted. Again, as I said in my video when I reviewed my on-the-go medium-sized Louis Vuitton tote, smaller totes like this just work for me. The larger size book tote I tried on a couple of times and it was just too big. It just overwhelmed me. I'm 5'4" and I just found it looked huge on me, and I don't need that much space in a bag. So this size is perfect. I was told it does fit a 13-inch MacBook Pro by the sales associate. She assured me it did. I have not tried that yet, obviously, since I just got it unboxed, but I will try and make sure because I want to be able to fit my laptop in if I need to. And I chose this particular one because of the gray color, which is why I wish it was showing up better, because the gray is so soft and beautiful, and it's that gray that I just think of when I think of Dior. And I just like it more than the blue, and I didn't really like the red one either, or the burgundy. This one is just so much prettier. It's softer, in my opinion, of course. Yeah, I don't know. I like the appearance of it a lot more than the blue. So I was waiting for this gray one to come out for spring. And yeah, I was lucky enough to be there the day they arrived. So anyway, I'm going to keep this video relatively short. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this type of video, please consider subscribing and also following me on Instagram. My handle there is FashionJunkie33. Thanks so much and have a great day.